If you're a psychology student, you probably have one question on your mind. Where did all these numbers come from? You came here to help people with psychological illnesses, to find out how children learn, to win friends and influence people. And now you have to learn all this about statistics. And you're going to have to know about statistics, not just for your statistics module itself, but broadly across your psychology course. When you're reading academic papers, you have to figure out what all these numbers mean in order to find evidence for psychological theories. What is statistics? Well, people think that statistics is just about long and dull and boring equations, and it's not. Statistics is how we make sense of the world. Statistics is the process of taking data from the world, these complicated, messy measurements and counts, and then transforming it into information. Statistics allows us to say what's true and what's false. Statistics allows us to make sense of the world, to solve real world problems. Here are a few examples. In Victorian times, the nurse and public health campaigner Florence Nightingale was using visual displays of statistics to convince the UK government to clean up the hospitals so far fewer people would die of infection. In the 1950s, a huge amount of statistics, Bayesian inference, being used by Jerome Cornfield, concluded that smoking causes lung cancer, because we know that now a lot fewer people smoke and, well, a lot of lives have been saved. Here's one more example. In the 1970s, a group of statisticians led by John Tukey discovered that big hole in the ozone layer was being caused by a kind of aerosol spray called a CFC. Now we know that. We banned the CFCs. Now the ozone layer is repairing itself, and that has prevented millions of cases of skin cancer every year. And so statistics can solve problems in the real world every time. A doctor gives someone medication every time. A therapist gives someone psychological treatment. We know those treatments work because of statistics. And so, that's why we're studying statistics. What I'm going to be doing in this video series, 3-minute statistics, is I'm going to be giving short and quick and efficient summaries of statistical concepts in order to help you with your statistics classes, in order to help you with your psychology course.